Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today we're showcasing some of the most impressive woodworking tools that can seriously upgrade your workshop. From precision measuring tools to powerful cutting and sanding solutions, these picks will boost accuracy, efficiency, and overall work quality. Let's get started.
The JessEm height and depth gauge allows accurate measurement of wood thickness, groove depth, and component height. Its precision markings ensure repeatable, professional results in joinery and layout tasks. Durable and lightweight, it fits comfortably in hand, making repeated measurements easy. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and fine woodworking projects, it reduces errors and enhances efficiency. Easy-to-read scales and smooth adjustment mechanisms save time during setup. Professionals and hobbyists alike can rely on it for consistent accuracy. A small but essential tool, the JessEm height and depth gauge improves precision, saves time, and ensures clean, accurate cuts in any woodworking project. Precision triangles are essential for checking angles and squareness in woodworking. Crafted for accuracy, they help verify 90-degree and other critical angles during layout, cutting, and assembly. Durable materials resist wear and maintain reliable measurements over time. Lightweight and portable, these triangles fit easily into any workshop toolkit. Perfect for cabinet making, furniture, and fine woodworking, they ensure alignment and reduce mistakes. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike benefit from their consistent precision, improving workflow and project quality. These triangles are a simple yet indispensable tool, providing confidence and accuracy when marking, cutting, or verifying angles on wood surfaces. The EZARC Countersink drill bit set allows clean, precise countersinking for screws and fasteners. High-quality steel ensures durability, while sharp edges reduce splintering. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and general woodworking, these bits create professional-looking screw heads. Multiple sizes accommodate different screw diameters, adding versatility. Compatible with standard drills, they save time and improve assembly accuracy. Woodworkers can achieve even screw pressure, improving finish quality. A reliable, time-saving addition to any workshop, this set reduces errors and improves finish quality for every project. Perfect for both beginners and professionals, the EZARC Countersink drill bit set guarantees clean, polished, and precise screw placements for every project. The router bit cleaning and maintenance kit ensures your router bits perform at their best. It includes brushes, lubricants, and cleaning solutions to remove resin, pitch, and debris from cutting edges. Regular maintenance extends bit life and improves cutting precision. Suitable for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals, this kit ensures smoother cuts, reduced tear out, and consistent results. Compact and easy to store, it keeps your workshop organized. By maintaining sharp, clean bits, woodworkers save time, improve finish quality, and reduce the risk of material damage. Essential for any shop using routers, this kit enhances performance and maximizes the lifespan of your cutting tools. Saddle squares and marking knives are indispensable for accurate layout and joinery. The square ensures perfect right angles, while the marking knife creates precise, visible lines for cutting and assembly. Durable materials guarantee longevity and reliability. Perfect for dovetails, mortises, and fine woodworking, these tools improve accuracy and reduce errors. Ergonomic design allows comfortable handling during repetitive tasks. Essential for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers, these tools ensure clean, precise cuts, tight joints, and polished results. By integrating these tools into your workflow, you enhance precision, efficiency, and craftsmanship across all woodworking projects, from furniture to cabinet.
The THORVALD 6-in-1 Carpenter Square is a compact yet incredibly versatile layout tool designed for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. It combines 6 essential measuring functions into one solid, easy-to-use square. You can mark 90-degree and 45-degree angles, measure depth, draw parallel lines, and even check material thickness with excellent precision. Built from aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, but tough enough for daily workshop use. The laser-etched markings are easy to read and won't fade over time, ensuring long-term accuracy. Whether you're framing, cabinetry, or doing fine woodworking, this tool saves time by replacing multiple measuring tools with one reliable solution. The HONGDUI MG21 Precision Miter Gauge is engineered for woodworkers who demand accuracy in every cut. Featuring an extended fence and micro-adjustment system, this miter gauge allows you to dial in angles with exceptional precision. It's compatible with most table saws and router tables, making it a flexible upgrade for any workshop. The solid aluminum construction ensures stability during cuts, reducing vibration and improving safety. Clear angle markings and a positive stop system help you repeat cuts consistently without guesswork. Whether you're building frames, boxes, or furniture, this precision miter gauge helps deliver clean, professional-grade results every time. The SKIL 3550-02 7-inch wet tile saw is a powerful cutting solution not just for tile, but also for certain woodworking and workshop applications. Its Hydro-Lock water containment system keeps your workspace cleaner while reducing dust and debris. The corrosion-resistant stainless steel top offers smooth material movement and long-lasting durability. With adjustable rip fence and bevel cutting capability, it provides flexibility for precise angled cuts. This saw is ideal for workshops that handle mixed materials, offering clean, controlled cuts with minimal mess. Its compact size makes it easy to store while still delivering professional-level performance. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw AH130 is a smart alternative to traditional fixed-size hole saw sets. Instead of carrying multiple bits, this single adjustable tool lets you cut holes from 45 mm to 130 mm with precision. It's ideal for woodworking projects involving ventilation holes, cable routing, or custom fittings. The robust construction ensures stability while cutting, and the adjustable arms allow accurate diameter control. This tool saves storage space, reduces cost, and speeds up workflow. For workshops that frequently need different hole sizes, the Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw is a practical and efficient solution. The Matework Adjustable Doweling Centering Jig is designed to make dowel joints faster, stronger, and more accurate. Its adjustable design allows it to fit various board thicknesses, ensuring perfectly centered holes every time. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, the jig is durable, lightweight, and resistant to wear. Clear reference markings help with quick alignment, reducing setup time. Whether you're building cabinets, shelves, or furniture frames, this jig improves joint consistency and overall build quality. It's an excellent upgrade for woodworkers who want clean, professional dowel joints without complicated setups. A high-quality Forstner drill bit is essential for clean, flat-bottom holes in woodworking projects. Unlike standard drill bits, Forstner bits provide smooth edges and precise depth control, making them perfect for hinges, dowels, and concealed joints. They cut efficiently with minimal tear out, even on hardwoods. This type of bit is especially useful for furniture making and cabinetry, where accuracy matters. Investing in a reliable Forstner bit improves drilling precision and overall finish quality. It's a small tool upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in professional woodworking results. A foldable workbench is a game changer for small workshops and mobile job sites. This lightweight yet heavy-duty bench provides a stable surface for cutting, sanding, assembling, and repairs. When not in use, it folds down quickly for easy storage, saving valuable space. Despite its compact design, it can support significant weight and handle demanding tasks. Built-in clamping options add extra versatility for holding materials securely. Whether you're working at home or on the go, a foldable workbench offers flexibility without sacrificing strength or functionality. BESSEY EHK trigger clamps are known for their reliability, strength, and ease of use. With one-hand operation, these clamps allow quick adjustments while keeping materials firmly in place. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and excellent control during glue-ups or assembly work. Their durable construction ensures long-term performance even in demanding workshop conditions. Ideal for cabinetry, panel glue-ups, and general woodworking, these trigger clamps improve efficiency and accuracy. If you're tired of struggling with weak or awkward clamps, BESSEY EHK is a professional-grade upgrade worth considering. The Ecarke-compatible cordless jigsaw offers portability and power for detailed cutting tasks. Its brushless motor provides smooth performance, longer runtime, and improved durability. With variable speed control and multiple orbital settings, you can adapt it for straight cuts, curves, and intricate shapes. The cordless design increases mobility, making it ideal for workshops and job sites alike. This jigsaw handles wood, plastic, and light metal with ease. For woodworkers who value flexibility and precision, this tool adds serious cutting capability without the hassle of cords. The NICAVKIT bearing carbide pattern bit is a must-have for router work involving templates and pattern cutting. Its carbide construction ensures sharp, clean cuts and long tool life. The built-in bearing follows templates smoothly, producing accurate and repeatable shapes. This bit is perfect for furniture parts, decorative edges, and custom profiles. It reduces tear out and delivers a professional finish even on hardwoods. Adding a quality pattern bit like this to your workshop greatly expands routing possibilities and improves overall craftsmanship. The Wolfcraft Countersink with depth stop is designed for clean, consistent screw seating. The adjustable depth stop ensures every countersink hole is drilled to the same depth, improving both appearance and structural integrity. This tool reduces the risk of over-drilling and surface damage. It's ideal for cabinetry, furniture assembly, and finish carpentry. Built for durability in mind, it maintains accuracy even after repeated use. For woodworkers who care about clean finishes and professional results, this countersink tool is a simple yet powerful upgrade. The WADFOW Pro Hand Saw delivers excellent cutting performance with a traditional, reliable design. Its sharp, hardened teeth provide smooth, fast cuts through various wood types. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This saw is ideal for quick cuts, joinery work, and situations where power tools aren't practical. Built for durability and precision, it's a dependable addition to any workshop. A quality hand saw like this remains an essential tool for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. The RUITOOL Shelf Pin Jig simplifies shelf installation by ensuring perfectly aligned pin holes every time. Its self-contained clamping system holds the jig securely in place, improving accuracy and speed. This tool is ideal for cabinets, bookcases, and adjustable shelving projects. Made from durable materials, it withstands repeated use without losing precision. Clear indexing marks help maintain consistent spacing throughout the project. For anyone building custom cabinetry, this jig saves time and delivers professional-looking results. The Jorgensen wood planer is perfect for smoothing rough surfaces and fine-tuning wood thickness. Designed for control and precision, it allows woodworkers to achieve clean, even finishes by hand. The sturdy construction ensures stability, while the sharp blade delivers consistent results. This planer is ideal for edge work, leveling surfaces, and fitting joints accurately. For craftsmen who appreciate traditional tools with modern performance, the Jorgensen planer is a valuable workshop upgrade. The S&F STEAD & Fast Electric Random Orbital Sander provides smooth, swirl-free finishes for woodworking projects. Its powerful motor combined with random orbital motion ensures even sanding across surfaces. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, and finishing work, it removes material efficiently without leaving visible marks. Dust collection compatibility helps keep your workspace cleaner. This sander is a solid upgrade for achieving professional quality finishes with less effort. That's it for today's list. If you enjoyed discovering these woodworking tools that can truly upgrade your workshop, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Power Tools Pro. More tool reviews and workshop upgrades are coming soon.